How to add a meta description on Squarespace or edit it. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I will show you step by step how to do so. Now this is actually very simple yet very powerful, and I mean you actually not you actually must do it, even though it's optional, but at the same time you must do it in order to actually get some results, because this is going to be a very powerful tool for you and for your SEO, and basically in simple terms to be discovered easily in search engines. This is going to be very powerful. So if that's something that you want to do, let's just go in and show you exactly how to do it. Now obviously each page is going to have different meta title and description, and we can also change it for every single page, and it's actually very easy. So let's just go and get to it. Open up your Squarespace, and then from here you just want to go to your website, click on pages, and basically we should be able to see all the different pages that we have, including the home page, and we see this settings icon or the gear icon right next to them. So just go ahead and go to any page, click on the gear icon right next to it, and you should find SEO. This is basically what we need to do. Click on this and we will be taken to the page where we'll be able to add the SEO title and also the description. Now, if you're not aware what these are, they're pretty much the search results of search engines like Google, for example. I'm just going to show you an example. Okay, so I just searched up Squarespace, and this right here is pretty much the meta title, and this is the description. So this is why it's very important. It's going to help you be discovered. So just go in and add your title and description. Now there are going to be also like different things that you will need to note when it comes to adding a proper title and description. They should be professional. They should have keywords, but not all up in your face, subtle, but at the same time you do include the keywords that you want to grab people's attention. For example, in the description you would want to go for 150 characters. I'm not really sure exactly. You may want to actually do your own research on how to write a proper SEO description. I'm not an expert on that, to be honest. But anyways, to get to our point, it's pretty much over here. So you will find SEO title. So just go ahead and add a title to this. So I'm not really doing anything serious here. It's not a proper website that I have. I'm just going to name it like this. And then obviously for the description, you would want to also add that description of yours. So this is just a test. And also they do neatly give you a preview here. This is not even the homepage. This is a menu page. But anyways, they do also show you how it's actually going to look like. So anyways, if you want to hide the page from search results for any reason, you also have that option to do so from there. So once you're done, just click on save on the top, and your page here is pretty much saved. So now we can just go to reservations here, click on the settings icon. Again, click on SEO and be able to add the title and description for the actual SEO. So here we can just go ahead and add the title, description, click on save, and we're pretty much set. And same goes for the homepage, which is also very, very important. Click on SEO. And here's the thing, with the homepage, it's actually going to be a little bit different, and only with the homepage. So just go to homepage, click on settings, SEO, and you will find edit website SEO settings. This is where you will need to click on this. And it's actually going to take you here where you'll be able to add the SEO title format and also the description. So here you can just add the title and description for your SEO title and description. But this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.